Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, I have a buyer asking you to hold an item. Vinted allows you to reserve items for specific buyers. Well, this prevents others from basically buying them or purchasing them, but basically buying them or basically saving them for yourself. But reservations are time limited. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually reserve an item on Vinted. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So all you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, go all the way and open the Vinted app or the Vinted website. For me, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com, all the way log in using your email address and password, then go tap on your profile. So I'm just gonna access my profile here, then go all the way, tap my listings. Basically this, select the item. So for example, this is my profile, so I can select any item here. I'm gonna go back to someone else's profile. So for example, this is someone else's profile. I'm gonna tap on their listings or my listings. Then for example, as you see, we have multiple items, reviews. Okay, let's tap on this one for example. See if they have the option. Very good. Buy now, frequent upload. So the seller doesn't have the option. Okay. So for the others that have the reserve option, all you're gonna do is tap on reserve, then choose basically the item and confirm. Reservations usually last for a limited time, for example 24 hours. As for some tips, only reserve for serious buyers. Confirm payment timeline before even reserving. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.